inspired by Shakespeare's plays. It's a reminder that modern horror has nothing on the bard's gory imagination.
Call me Jack.
Murder and comedy have continued to mix in films as diverse as the flamboyant stage-to-screen adaptation The Ruling Class, another satire on the aristocracy, and Benjamin Ross's The Young Poisoner's Handbook, based on the real-life serial murderer Graham Young. One of the best serial killer satires of recent years draws on a surprising influence.
It slipped on the crack and went off the cliff yesterday. Did you not hear about that? Did he hurt himself? Head smashed like a pumpkin. That's why I'd never have stone flooring. Although I do love that French farmhouse look.
Yeah, it's terrible, isn't it, when people don't have respect for the power of nature.
Can't find his dog.
Well, he probably committed suicide. Dogs will do that.
Co-written by its stars Alice